Corbin, thank you so much for being here today. It's great to have you. I just wanted to ask a couple questions, and thought the first one would be like AI is obviously changing, the way businesses operate, and would love to hear like what are some of the opportunities that you see in the market, and what are some of the challenges that you think customers are facing?
Yeah, it's not new being told to do more with less, right? That's a common concept that we've been hearing for the past couple of years, and maybe even more so important in some unsteady economic times. But that's exactly what AI enables you to do, right? Like, it's kind of funny to think about some of the movies that have been made about trying to multiply yourself so that you can do the job that you used to do. And, multiplicity is the one I'm thinking of, but that's a reality now with the agents and copilots that Microsoft's putting out. So that true ability to get more done with the same amount of people is the big benefit that I'm seeing.
Yeah. And how do you think about the partnership between HCL and Microsoft and helping customers unlock that benefit?
Yeah, it's our most important one. We're tied in very closely with everything that you all are doing. There's a lot of joint learning that goes on, plenty of program support that we're getting to help support our customers. So I think just being in lockstep as we do this discovery and help take these solutions to the market is paramountly important.
That's great. And are there aspects of Microsoft's AI vision that are particularly exciting to you, or things that you think are differentiated? And I'd love to hear how it aligns with HCL as well.
The solutions themselves are rock solid, right? We're kind of the first to market in many of these aspects, but something that I think that's really different is the way that you're open to integrating with other AI solutions and other AI models. It's kind of been the Satya Microsoft to open things up and to play nicely with other tools. That's what we've seen in the biz apps world. All of the published connectors that are out in the market that allow us to integrate with tools that, the old Microsoft might have competed head to head on in very vicious terms. And then now we play nicely with them. So to take that concept and put it into the AI tools as well shows a lot of confidence in the core products that you're putting out there to say, what, customer, you have the choice to use many different solutions. Microsoft can be at the core of it, but you also can adopt others along the way.
Yeah, that's great. We've also talked a lot about these AI agents and the potential for them in business. I'd be curious, what do you see them doing for a typical customer of HCL's?
That's right. We have a lot of customers that are not just kicking the tires and learning about this, but actually implementing it. We're looking at a lot of industry solutions in the healthcare space around scheduling and EMR integration, a lot in financial services around trading and approvals. There's really kind of a limitless amount of opportunity here.
Yeah. Are you using Microsoft's AI capabilities as part of your delivery to customers?
100%. Yes. So, to customers as well as some of the solutions that we build. So HCL puts a lot of migration tools out into the market. And in order to do that migration, you need to run an assessment against the legacy platform. So if we're migrating from a Salesforce or some other system, running an assessment report to catalog all of the different objects and databases and metadata, we've actually applied some Copilots against those assessment reports so that you can dig through what could be hundreds of pages of information about this database and return some really valid responses through a Copilot.
Wow. Well, that's an awesome story. That's great to hear. Well, hey, I just want to say thank you so much for partnering with us. It's great to have you here today, and really appreciate your support.
Thank you, Bryan.
Yeah.